gonna add some garlic. We are going to next add some turmeric. And don't forget about our friend, Mr. Onion. Hey, someone was feeling a little bit left out. So we're gonna, of course, add some smoky flavor of that cumin. And you know my favorite, we're gonna add some thyme because we barely got any thyme. So we gotta add some thyme. All right, now get to massaging. Full speed ahead. Now that we have our chicken all massaged and seasoned up, it is time for the magic to begin. Bacon party time, here we go. Look at that meat. It is caramelizing so well. After our chicken has been nicely caramelized on both sides, we are going to transfer them to our baking tray. Okay, so if you don't have time to do a traditional barbecue, here is some easy steps to get the same yummy barbecue result. We just sauteed our wings on each side in our bacon grease, and then we are going to have some honey. So we're gonna drizzle the honey on top of our wings. We are going to put our wings in the oven on 375 degrees for additional 20 minutes. Once the 20-minute timer is up, it's time to invite the barbecue sauce to the party. Our barbecue wings are looking fabulous. Check it out. Oh my goodness.